Hey everyone, it's M2 here with an unboxing of Gauntlet Legends for the Nintendo 64. Now what I have here is an inner pack. There's 6 copies of Gauntlet Legends in here, and typically when this gets shipped to vendors and retailers, they come in a master pack of 24. So there's actually 4 boxes of 6 inside, so I have one of these 4. So onto the bottom here, this is the box certificate. This is typically used to define how strong the box is. It goes through a couple of crush tests and so on. And the bottom seal actually looks fine. And the top does too, so let's crack it open. And I'm being careful here because I don't want to slit the boxes underneath. That would be a shame. Alright, here we go. 6 copies of Gauntlet Legends. See if I can focus the camera here for you guys. And sorry about the beeping, my canaries are having a field day back there. And just inspecting the boxes, and I do notice that this corner here is crushed in, so it looks like this box was dropped. Not a big deal. I'll just open this one first. Alright, and here's the front. Nice and shiny. Never touched by human hands. And the side of the box. Also quite nice. The top. And you can see the vertical seam. I don't know if I can get this to focus, but I will try. So you can see the back, UPC and everything. And just for the heck of it, I'm gonna take out the rest from this inner pack here, just to kind of look at them, make sure they're okay, and then show you the inside of the box as well. Yep, just plain. No Nintendo logo, no part codes, none of that. Alright, so I'm just going to set these aside for now. We'll get to the unboxing shortly. Alright, now that my desk area is finally cleared off, we can get to open this puppy up. Gonna be careful here cutting into this slit here. Don't want to ruin the box, although it is a little bit dented already. Get that plastic out of here. Man, look at that picture of Scorn. It's great. And I creased it. Stupid me. And here's some printing on the inside with the Gauntlet Legends product code. So we have the cartridge in there, and some paperwork, as usual. Alright, starting off at the top is the standard Nintendo 64 precautions booklet, which I'm sure most people didn't read. Then we have a Midway registration card. Send this puppy in and get some cool goodies. I personally never did this. Probably missed out on a lot. And the instruction manual, which, not to my surprise, is in color, although some budget titles or lesser known titles tend to cheap out and use only black and white ink. A little bit about the gameplay, some of the weapons, the lore, enemies, all that fun stuff. And finally, the cartridge itself. Just taking a quick peek. Nothing left. And just as a side note, there are repro cartridges coming out of China right now, so you might find a quote-unquote new copy on eBay, and you can see this little stamp that's on that back sticker. This is your first clue that this is a genuine copy, as a lot of the repros that are circulating don't have that. And last but not least, the Teardown. This is more of a curiosity thing for me. I love to see what's inside of cartridges. Just going back now and seeing all the capacitors and ROMs, the flash modules. It's amazing just how far we've come with technology, that we can fit all this into something like the size of a Switch cartridge now, with way more capacity. So, okay, I got the cover off, and there's 2 more screws on the inside with an RF shield that comes right out. And I should mention that the screws on the outside are a 3.8mm game bit, and these 2 here are just standard Phillips. Alright, and with the shield off, we can see the PCB on the inside. We're going to lift this off. And there's a little black shield on here too, just to keep the cartridge clean. Comes right off. And just a quick overview, on the left you have your CIC lockout chip, on the right your main ROM, and not so much going on in the back, just all your solder points. And that's pretty much it. That just about sums up Gauntlet Legends from the Nintendo 64. Thank you all for joining me in this unboxing video, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. See you around.